Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing the Saturday questionnaire. I'm fully aware that it's Sunday today, but when I was going to record yesterday, I fell asleep. I don't know how that happened, bro. I I was probably lacking sleep. I don't know. I woke up with my clothes on, sweat as fuck. It fucking sucked. But yeah, doesn't matter, irregardless, because we have nothing, like there's nothing to do on Sunday anyways. I want to do the repaint on Monday in case shit gaps. Also, if there's demand for it in the Discord, I can talk about the prop stuff because I've been prop trading a little bit now. Just on the side, I'm not really too invested in it. I got a live account, you guys know that, and I got my hedge fund. But yeah, let's get to it. All right, so here we are on the questionnaire. It's from everything's from the Discord. So hello, does spread have a big role in our trading when we swing trade? And this is from Timius Caesar. Little wordplay on Julius Caesar there. Very creative. Good job, Timmy. Yes, it does. I mean, am I even reading that right? Does spread have a big role in our trade when we swing trade? Yes. I don't know. Are you a little bit confused about what a spread is? Spread is the difference between the buy and sell price. So if there's a big difference between that, that can completely decimate your trade. And also, even if spreads are not horrendous, but you can get a better spread somewhere else, I mean, you're losing out on like 0.1% here, 0.2, 0.1, 0.2, 0.2, and then over a month that's maybe like 0.5%. So you're missing out on like a lot over the year. Let's say it's 0.5%, right? So you're missing out on 6% a year. That's a lot of money. So instead of doing, 50%, it's 56%, you're doing 50%. So yeah, it matters a lot. Regardless of whether you swing trade, if you scalp, you can't scalp with a wide spread though. Like that's just not possible. But it's just straight money out of your pocket. It's just you're gonna get fucked. Okay, that's why the EU regulations regarding rebates are so unfortunate because you guys are paying super high spreads in comparison to someone like me. And that their whole reasoning behind banning the rebates was to get spreads down as well. So I don't know. I don't know what to say. Question from Shark right here. He says, how can I get better at TA? Sometimes when I watch your videos, you'll identify two CRs and say something like, CR1 is better than CR2. To me, though, they often look very similar, and I can't tell why one is considered better than the other. How can I be better at this? So an easy way, just a simple, quick trick to just do this is, for example, so we have gold, already have gold here. Let me bring up the other one. So if you got gold against a dollar and gold against the AUD, you're immediately, and you see two more or less similar setups. You want to go with the USD because of the spread difference. The AUD is horrendous in that regard. Also, if you got a spread on Euro USD, you see something similar on the Euro JPY, for example. Just a hypothetical here. You want to go with the Euro USD. This is a zero spread pair on raw spread. So you're going to get better out on this one. That's just a small one. I'd have to make a whole separate TA video to get into why I see some certain valid setups, specifically CRs, as you mentioned, why I see some specific CRs as better than the others. But a simple one is stay away from the exotics. If you don't know what the exotics are, or don't stay away from them, but if you have the option to enter one of the bigger low spread pairs versus an exotic, don't enter the exotic one. So let me find like maybe a picture of it or whatever, and I'll post that in the Discord for you guys as well, and I'll post it inside the... Anyways, with that said, that concludes the questionnaire. Pretty simple one. I've got you all answered, so let me remove this. The flag means they are unanswered. Another answer. So if you guys got any more questions or anything else, feel free to ask me in the Discord, and I'll get that answered. I hope that made sense. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow, hopefully, for the repaint, if one is needed. Right now, it's not looking too bad. We're still in July, so, you know. But anyways, thank you for watching, and bye-bye.